Hi, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through a brand new Boston Whaler. This is the Boston Whaler Super Sport Series. This is the 16 foot. They make them in 13 and this is the 16. So awesome boat. This is a lot of fun to drive. There's a lot of different things you can do with it. We've got the Whaler light blue on the side here, sorry. We did order it with a bimini. We've got the Mercury 4-stroke. This is a 90 horse. So plenty of power for this little 16 footer. We did do the ski tow bar. So if you ever want to pull tubes or do some skiing or whatever recreation you want to do, this is a very, very nice sturdy tow bar. So I'll come around the side here and we'll take a look. Pretty simple at the dash here. You've got your RPMs, obviously the steering wheel, we got a cup holder. There's a little bit of storage if you open this up. You can get chairs. There's some extras. There's 3 different types of chairs you can get in order and have them installed. We also have a cooler right there that is removable, so you can put your cooler stuff in there. And then in the bow is an anchor storage, but pretty simple boat. We love these little Whalers. These are so much fun, like I said, to drive. And it is here in Rogers, ready to be looked at. So if you want to send an email or give us a phone call, we can set up an appointment or just stop on by. We'd love to show you this boat and anything else that we got. Thanks a lot.